cooking anywhere in the world is usually up to women. Nevertheless, most of the famous chefs are men. What's the reason? When asked by a reporter who was covering the cooking contest, a world-class food critic replied like this. First, men are not forced to cook in the process of growing up, so they don't have stress about cooking. Second, boys cook when they feel like it. Since there is no burden to do well, they move away from the existing method and make their own food as if it were a chemical experiment. Third, the family compliments the boy for being delicious because they don't expect him to make proper food. They become more confident in the compliment and interested in cooking. In conclusion, this is due to the different growth backgrounds of men and women. Don't dwell on the results and enjoy the process itself. When you enjoy it, you concentrate, and when you concentrate, you achieve it. That's right. Genius cannot beat those who work hard, and those who work hard cannot beat those who enjoy it.